Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and today is Triple Play Saturday Round 2 and this one is nice. Now it's an animated watch face. The developer really got down on this one. Now the name of the watch face is called MTH. And in always on mode, you get a nice look. You get your digital time. You also get your day and your date at the top. And you also get info on your battery percentage down at the bottom. Not a bad look at all. Now it is a 24-hour watch face once you cut this on. And a lot of people don't like 24 hours. So just maybe the developer can make two versions. One 12 hours, one 24 hours. How about that? All right, so up at the top, you're gonna get step info. Again, your day, your date, your month. You're also gonna get calories burned, miles walked or ran, your heart rate. You're gonna also get your battery percentage down at the bottom, and you have a timer and also chrono right there. But the animation looks super cool, very fluid, very nice. The developer did a great job on this watch face, and the color isn't bad either. It's kind of like that glow in the dark theme. Not bad at all. I'm gonna give the developer 2 thumbs up for this one. All right, you all, that's gonna end Triple Play Saturday Round 2. What did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Enjoy your weekend. Remember, party, have fun, enjoy family, but be safe. All right, you all, I'll see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more like this, then make sure you subscribe. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.